Anything we inside of unu we belong to the world, yeah? Dash away. Me a talk like sex sin. And how unu might a long fi go mix up unu self in a them sitting there. Unu might a no tap think about them and want fi go do them so till unu galang go do them. But them they no clean. Unu fi dash with that. Plus, all of the sitting them where unu want we no right. Plus the wicked sitting them where unu want fi do. Unu fi clear them out of unu life. Kill them. And unu no fi wanty neither. All want things where unu no need. When unu do that, I worship unu and worship them sitting there instead of unu a worship God.